Grade 7 Writing, Curriculum Assessment 1, September-October 2020. Revising section. Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Then fill in the answer on your answer document. Number 1. Katie would like to add the following detail to the first paragraph, sentences 1 through 6. Even though Mom had suggested that I go to bed early the night before, I insisted on staying up late to watch a movie. Where is the best place to insert this sentence? A, after sentence 2. B, after sentence 3. C, after sentence 4. D, after sentence 5. Number 2. What is the most effective way to revise sentence 16? F, a short distance away stood the principal, and his eyes scanned the crowd, descending from the bus. G, the principal stood a short distance away, and his eyes scanned the crowd, descending from the bus. H, the principal's eyes, a short distance away from the crowd, scanned the crowd and descended from the bus. J, no revision should be made in sentence 16. Number 3. In sentence 17, Katie does not think that said is the best word to use. Which of the following would be a more effective word to use in this sentence? A, remarked. B, roared. C, suggested. D, complained. Number 4. Sentence 26 lacks clarity. What is the most effective change to make to improve the clarity of this sentence? F, change she to Megan. G, change my mom to my mother. H, change my cell phone, computer, and TV to everything. J, change 2 weeks to several weeks. Number 5. Katie has made a poor choice of words in sentence 29. She should change stuff to A, people. B, decisions. C, items. D, trouble. Number 6. Katie would like to add a sentence to bring her narrative to a more effective close. Which sentence could she add after sentence 35 to help achieve this goal? F, I told her much I hate having D-Hall after school because it is so boring. G, hoping she would forgive me, I murmured, I'm sorry, Mom, and I truly meant it. H, she can be so unreasonable sometimes. J, knowing how much trouble I was in, I couldn't wait to call my friend to talk to her. Editing. Read the selection and choose the best answer to each question. Then fill in the answer on your answer document. Number 7. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 1? A, change registered to registered. B, insert a comma after retreat. C, change wilderness campground to wilderness campground. D, no change is needed in sentence 1. Number 8. What change needs to be made in sentence 3? F, change then to than. G, delete comma after me. H, change handed to hands. J, no change needs to be made to this sentence. Number 9, how should sentence 4 be changed? A, delete the comma after course. B, insert a comma after wires. C, change participants to participants. D, insert a comma after ground. Number 10, what change needs to be made in sentence 8? F, delete the comma after of course. G, change inspire to inspiring. H, change there to there. J, no change is needed in sentence 8. Number 11, what change needs to be made in sentence 12? A, delete the comma after event. B, change scavenger hunt to scavenger hunt. C, insert a comma after race. D, change competed to competing. Number 12, what change should be made in sentence 15? F, change definitely to definitely. G, change courageous to courageous. H, change cheered to had been cheering. J, no change is needed in this sentence. Number 13, what change should be made in sentence 18? A, change breath to breathe. B, change then to than. C, change climb to climbed. D, sentence 18 should not be changed. Number 14, how should sentence 20 be changed? F, delete the comma after nervous. G, change saw to seen. H, delete the comma after course. J, change parallel to parallel. Number 15, what change needs to be made in sentence 23? A, delete the comma after Francie. B, change mom to mom. C, delete the comma after called. D, change you to you. Number 16, what change should be made to sentence 26? F, change loudly to loud. G, change steadily to steadily. H, change rattles to rattled. J, no change is needed in sentence 26. Number 17, what change needs to be made in sentence 27? A, insert a comma after moment. B, change uncontrollable to uncontrollable. C, change froze to had froze. D, no change needs to be made in this sentence. Number 18, how should sentence 33 be changed? F, change final platform to final platform. G, delete the comma after platform. H, change mothers to mothers. J, sentence 33 should not be changed. Number 19, what change needs to be made in sentence 35? A, change patient to patient. B, change had began to had begun. C, delete the comma after fears. D, change incredible to incredible. Number 20, what change should be made in sentence 36? F, change overcome to have overcame. G, delete the comma after fears. H, Change belief to believe. J. No change needs to be made in sentence 36.